Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Man. In today's video, let me show you how you can send money from PayPal to Payoneer. To get started, open a browser and sign into your Payoneer account. Once you're signed in into your Payoneer account, it will take you to the dashboard like this. So to transfer money into your account, we need to require banking details of your Payoneer account. So to require the banking details, we'll need to click on the Get Paid tab on the left-hand side of the menu. And on this page, you will see an overview of all the currency accounts you have been connected to Payoneer account. So to have a connected account, you need to request them and read all the information. After that, click on Next. Select the country currency that you want to connect to your Payoneer account. Once ready, click on Next. And here, you can see the list of all the accounts you are going to request. Once you're ready, just click Submit Request. And once your account has been approved, they will appear on the approved account list. After that, we're going to transfer money from your PayPal account into the currency account that you like. Select the currency account, and once you've clicked, you will need to give your banking information. So to transfer money into this account, we'll need to enter this information into your PayPal account. To do that, we'll need to log into your PayPal account first, and once you are signed in to your PayPal, you'll be taken to the PayPal dashboard, which looks like this. So to add Payoneer bank account details to PayPal, all we need to do, and then click on the money link just on the Steve wallet. Once you are on the money page, you'll see an overview of how much money you have in your PayPal, along with your connected currencies. So to connect Payoneer account, and click on Link a new bank account. From here, just go ahead and enter in your Payoneer bank details. Click Agree, and in PayPal, you will need to make 2 small deposits that's less than £1 or $1, and then retrieve one of them as a withdrawal wrong, so it will successfully connect to your PayPal account. Once you've connected, go back to the money page and scroll down to where it says, and it will give you a list of all the accounts that you've connected to your PayPal account. So to transfer money, just scroll up and click on the blue Transfer Money, and you'll be taken to the Transfer Money page. Here, just select down which you want to transfer. In this case, the Payoneer account will give you an overview of the withdrawal amount. Once you're ready, it will give you how much you will successfully receive. If you want to, click on Transfer Now. Once you've set that money from PayPal, your pay and air balance will be successfully updated. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.